Hello, I'm an African lady from Uganda, and today in this video we are to learn on how to make soup from rabbit. I'm a farmer, a little proud farmer who rears animals and get what to eat from those animals, get manure, and also dig. And I'm proud of doing that. As you're reading on the screen, you're seeing some of the advantages or the good things that we gain from rearing a rabbit. If it's not manure, it's sauce. If it's not soup, it's manure. So we get a lot of things from rabbits. And rearing rabbits, it's really a good thing. They reproduce, or the growth is rapid. They have a rapid growth, and reproduction is 2 times. They don't smell when you're rearing them, and they are good to be taken care of. Now let's start. Here, as you see, I've finished to remove the skin. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to deep fry these pieces before I make soup. There is so many ways of cooking this rabbit, but today for me I'm going to cook it like this. Keep watching as you see. But these rabbits are like chicken. Some of their parts are like chicken, and even in taste they are like chicken. Trust me, try. You will thank me later. So now we are doing the deep frying of these pieces until they turn goldish. When they turn goldish, I will get them off and get the ingredients in a pan, make sauce from them. It's so delicious and yummy. Keep watching to the end. Trust me, you will enjoy this sauce of rabbit, and you will never delay in cooking it. Keep watching as we see. Here it has turned goldish, and now I'm about to remove these pieces and I'm going to make sauce. I'll deep fry all the pieces to goldish like these ones. Then I'll get a pan without this cooking oil and make a soup. I'll put tomato, onions, etc. And I'll make the sauce out of it. Keep watching. So now I'm going to prepare the ingredients as the last portion is getting ready. The last pieces are getting ready. So now I'm preparing the tomatoes. I first wash them, as all of you know. These things aren't clean when got from the garden. Direct from my garden, I don't buy tomato. No. I get from my garden. And those who have been following me, you know what I'm saying. You've watched those videos. And those who have not watched, please look for them and see how I prepare small places and I put them into use around my home. So now I'm preparing the tomatoes, onions, and other things, green pepper, garlic, and I'm going to prepare all of these ones to make a delicious and tasty soup. Let's begin preparing our ingredients. But when you're making slices for tomatoes, all of us have the way we make slices. But me, I always prefer the the square form shape of tomato because they help me to get ready as fast as possible, and it helps me so much. Let's prepare together and see how it will all go. I want to thank you, all those who are watching my videos. Keep watching, my dear. You're doing a great job for me. We learn together as you're helping me grow my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified on every video I post. On this channel, I do farming, both in coffee, guavas, banana, and also farming in small spaces. And I also do visit coffee farmers to give them ideas on that I know. Those who wish that they could be helped, I do help them. If you reach me on my number and we talk, we learn so many things from this video, though some people tend just to look on them on top. And here, as you're seeing me going in the garden, as Mganda, in my tradition, I'm Mganda, African lady, I'm going to prepare this sauce in a very sweet and tasty way with a great aroma, a great smell. Keep watching. Here I'm getting banana leaves, which will help me on preparing this. In this video, we are learning that you can be with everything around your home. Even if it's small home, you can be with it. You can grow at least one piece of banana at home around your compound. And it helps you in many things. You get a banana to eat, you get leaves to use, you get fibers to use in your kitchen. So in this video, we are to learn so many things. You see, I'm rearing rabbits, and today I've decided to eat one of my rabbit as sauce for the table today. And I've not gone to market to buy anything. No, my dear ones. I've gone in my garden. I've collected the tomatoes. I've got the banana leaves from my garden, and also the onions, the leaves for the onions from my garden. And it has really helped me. Please, let's try to use the small spaces we have at home and to leave our pockets as happy as possible. Okay, come, let's cook together. In my culture, the banana leaf I've brought, it's going to work as a cover for my pan as I cook this sauce. So before using it as the cover for my saucepan, I have to pass it on the fire so that it gets a good smell, and also it smoothens this banana so that it doesn't get holes in it, so that it covers my saucepan well and good. That's why I pass it on the fire to give it a great smell and also to make it firm so that it can be a good and great cover when my sauce has not been poured in as I cook. Keep watching as we learn together. So now it's time to make our sauce. We've been all the way preparing the ingredients, the meat itself, what we will use. So now it's time we put our ingredients in the pan and we make sauce. First we'll put some small little oil, and then that will help our ingredients to soften. Then we put water for sauce. Let's go and see. Then we go first with the onions. With the onions, we make these onions turn goldish. Then we will put our meat. We wait a little so that this onion soaks into the meat, and we put tomatoes. You keep on. When you put the meat, you keep on changing as you cover so that those ingredients enter thoroughly well in our meat to give it a great taste, a great smell. When you put in tomatoes, cover, but you have to put some little salt to make these tomatoes faster softened. So now we are going to see how our meat has really turned in. But remember, it is still not good to go. We'll have to cook it up to when it gets ready. Some put they put sweet Irish potato in there, but for me I'm going to put that, I call it in soucer. In English I really forgotten how they call it. I'll go and Google, then I'll tell you how they call it. I put in water that I will not keep this on fire. I'm going to steam this sauce. I'll show you how we steam in Africa. Some use a pan with a cover, a great cover. In my language we call it box, but me, I'm going to use that saucepan, and I will use my cover of a banana leaf. As you will see, keep watching as we learn. I put that paper to give it a smell, and I put that small leaf as a cover. I use the fiber to tie that saucepan firm in that, so that my sauce is there when it's ready. There, it's on fire. Thanks for watching.